If you coordinate volunteers, you're juggling two questions at once. Who is actually trained for each role, and who is serving this Sunday? The volunteer skills and scheduling matrix puts both on one board you own, instead of a tangle of group texts and a paper sign-up sheet. Start with the skills matrix. Your volunteers run down the side, your roles across the top. Pick a readiness level in each cell, and the board colors itself into a heat map. It counts how many people can serve each role on their own, and it flags the roles where only one volunteer is trained. Then build the roster on the Schedule tab. Mark each volunteer as serving, available, or away for your upcoming services, and set how many people you need. Every service flags itself as set, fill gaps, or short. So you spot the thin Sunday 3 weeks out, while there is still time to ask someone. The Coverage and Gaps tab turns all of that into a plan. It weighs every role against how many you need and sorts them. No one ready, below minimum, no backup, or covered. A high criticality role like sound or safety sitting at no backup is your next recruiting job, right at the top of the list. The Roles and Requirements tab is your reference. Each role's headcount, how critical it is, and which roles need a background check before anyone serves. So you never roster an uncleared volunteer into a children's or safety role by mistake. It isn't just a spreadsheet. 4 plain English guides walk you through the readiness levels, reading coverage, and building the roster. Plus printable sheets for the wall, a legend card, a blank board, and a sign-up sheet. Prefer Google Sheets? There is no importing. Open the included link, click Make a Copy, and the whole workbook lands in your drive, fully set up. It also works in Excel and LibreOffice. And you buy it once? No per volunteer seats, no monthly rent, just a board you own. The Volunteer Skills and Scheduling Matrix from Ardent Workshop. There is a free single team roster to try first, and the full workbook is on our website and on Etsy. Own your roster instead of renting it.